Hello everyone, I'm Emerald. I'm from Intelligent Energy Management team for Advantech, and I'm the product manager. I'm going to speak on the topic of how Advantech use dashboard and help client track and demonstrate their environmental performance in ESG rating. And here is our architect of our old application, and I will be introduced to solution Carbon R and Eco Enterprise. And next is our Eco Enterprise. Eco Enterprise is a great way to be more eco-friendly and support goal for a better world. It's perfect for senior manager and sustainability team and anyone who needs report. It makes it easier to manage your energy data and compare compare how you are doing now and follow the rule for being greener and more responsible. And I will introduce the Eco Enterprise key function and benefit. And Eco Enterprise use data analysis to improve energy management with helpful chart and practical ideas. It ensures compliance with your emission and energy rule and enhancing your sustainability performance. And it set goal for energy saving and monitor progress and help assess client risk. So making management more effective. And here is the first dashboard of our Eco Enterprise, and it's a KPI tracking. And we can see on our dashboard, it calculates the energy saving amount, and it ran in total, and manager can oversee your energy saving goal are met at different size, and whether and to identify the area for improvement. So this data is good for the making the decision for energy saving project. And next dashboard is our consumption overview, and the user can use the filter on the top of the column to select your energy type, like electricity, water, steam, to view your selected KPI and to see the real-time data and the yearly data comparison. And you can see the energy usage by sorting by facility and different factory area. And manager can see on this chart to do your KPI checking and identify your hotspot of the most energy using. Hello? Energy. And the next is the dashboard, check the energy use and the renewable energy use and rank them across region. And we also calculate with the renewable energy to the carbon reduction. And the manager can see from this dashboard to check on your green energy plan, whether it's align with your corporate goal. An organization can go green by using renewable and making their own. This dashboard is our 100 roadmap, and this dashboard can help ESG committee to track progress globally and plan investment for renewable energy plan. And user can check the yearly performance and the proportion of the renewable energy. And the plan your plan should focus on the local green energy policy and reducing reliance on your purchased electricity to promoting your sustainability. Next is our solution of carbon R. And carbon R is our tool to measure the carbon emission. And the carbon emission include the seven greenhouse gas from organization and the product. It's a software that helps track and manage emission and gather the data and calculate carbon footprint, and helping business with sustainability and meeting regulation while understand your corporate environmental impact. Now we will explain the value chain of carbon emission. There were 3 areas for carbon accounting. The first one is the direct emission. We call the Scope 1 or Category 1. It's the emission from the burning fuel or the making product. And the Scope 2 and the Category 2, it's from the purchased electricity and the purchased steam. It's the energy what you use, and whether it's environmental friendly. And the Scope 3, the 2 part, it's more complex, and it covering from your supply chain and transportation and even your product use. And when we accounting the product carbon footprint, you should look at your full product life cycle. So it's from the product perspective. So it includes partially manufactured emission. And here is our system interface for you guys to quickly complete organization carbon inventory. The first, it also follow the ISO guideline to do all the completion. You should put in your company info. And second, you should decide what you want to reporting. And the third, you should import the data. You can choose various methods such as API, manual input, or the file upload. And the final, you should choose the right emission factor for calculation. And here we list down some emission factor database here, such as China product carbon footprint, Taiwan EPA database, IPCC GWP, and even chargeable we call EcoEvent database. It's an international database. It includes maybe 10,000 emission factor in this database. And next, we also can estimate the product carbon footprint. It follows the same, almost the same guideline to finish your carbon footprint. But you need to be more understand your product basic info to input the data to the system, and need to decide the resource from maybe from the bond list or the supply mapping. And the third, you also need to learn how to calculate your product footprint, and to in all the life cycle, in all the product life cycle. And that's also you need to choose the right emission factor to calculate for your maybe your energy use or the bond structure. The last, we understand people are struggling on writing any report for compliance or local regulation. So our system support one clear export the inventory report for you guys. You can select the ISO 14064 or the 67, and export Excel or Word is a typical type of format for everyone to act in. The last, the IEMS Carbon and Eco Enterprise will support everyone to finish your journey on carbon emission and energy saving process. It will help you align with ISO standard, so you can quickly generate your report from our system, and that you can show your senior management your result on the energy usage and the carbon emission. Thank you for everyone. And next, we welcome our PM, Julia. She will introduce EcoWatch for everyone to know how Advantech to do their energy management.
Hi, everyone. I'm the product manager in IEMS. I'm Julia. And as we know, the energy management could be divided into two parts. The first part is to monitor the energy consumption in the field. The second part is to control the energy consuming device. So in this section, I will introduce our comprehensive energy monitoring system, which is called as EcoWatch. EcoWatch is an edge-to-cloud solution. In the edge side, we can use power meter, flow meter, or gas meter to collect the data from the edge device. And it will transmit the data to the gateway by RS485. In the gateway, it will aggregate the data and transmit the data to the cloud by MQTT protocol. In the cloud, our customer can review the energy analysis result and on the dashboard. We not only provide the public cloud version, but also provide the server to build up the private cloud. So our customer can find not only the software, but also the hardware in Advantech on one stop. So the value of EcoWatch is to help our user build up their energy management PDCS cycle. From our customers' experience, they can save 3% to 10% of their energy consumption. And also, they can save up to 80% of the man-hour on energy analysis. And with our abnormality notification, they can maintain their device more precisely. So they can also improve their operation efficiency by 20%. But what the features in our EcoWatch make it so comprehensive? We contain the general function in the common energy management system, like we can collect the data by the meters from the edge device and the renewable data. But we focus on the features that can help users to build up the PTCA cycle. So like we have the demand analysis and the peak to value analysis, which can help users to it can help users to plan their demand and calculate their cost on their side. And with the enterprise's annual energy consumption and KPI performance, the manager can review the energy performance in all the field under the enterprise. And with the function of energy saving project management and the return of investment analysis, they can manage all the energy saving action and review the performance on one stop, on the one interface. Finally, our solution can provide the function to generate the report according to ISO 5001, which can help users to complete the audit and the communication with external. And I will show you the dashboard and the feature data. And so with our comprehensive solution, our EcoWatch also got a certificate with the certificate of ISO 5001 by the TÜV. And as we know from our survey, only Schneider and Siemens, they also got this certificate. So is it difficult for the users to implement this EcoWatch in their site? Actually not. In EcoWatch, we provide low-code configuration and no-code dashboard template. So they can just show their data on the dashboard immediately. And it's really easy for users to implement this EcoWatch on their site. Okay, so in this part, I will introduce all the features and show you the dashboard. So like the operator on the site, they have to record the meter, record the energy consumption periodically. So with our auto meter recording, they can record and get the information from the edge device, and they can customize the report. They can set the report period, the frequency, and select what meters should be contained in this report. And our system will deliver the report to the recipient automatically. And for the manager, they probably concerned if the energy consumption is reasonable. So in the dashboard in our EcoWatch, all the dashboard contains 3 elements, basic elements, including the location, the time interval, and the energy type, to help users to find when, what, and what caused the energy consumption in the field. And the users can click the bar chart or the line chart to go to zoom in and investigate the smaller time interval of the data. And also, not only the energy consumption, but also the cost that make the manager concerned. Usually, the users ask us if we have the tool for them to deal with the problem of the time of use pricing policy. So with this peak to value analysis, they can investigate the electricity consumption in different time pricing period. Also, this feature calculates the energy consumption and the energy cost of different pricing period. So that can help the users to make more precise. They can make a more precise electricity contract with their supplier. And after the manager understands the consumption, the efficiency, and the cost, they probably want to make the energy saving project. So with this feature, we help the users to set up their energy use baseline, and they can review when the energy consumption is over or under the baseline. And also they can quickly review the energy saving amount by the green line. So it helps the manager to get a quick review of the energy saving performance. And maybe under enterprise, they have many energy saving projects in different fields. So we also have the energy saving project management feature that can help managers to view all the projects in one interface. The project owner can edit the details, and the manager can review all the projects under the enterprise, and also review the return of investment. So with this, the manager don't have to collect all the data from different fields. And after the energy saving project, our higher manager, they probably want to know the performance of the KPI. So with this dashboard, we also provide different kind of KPI for manager to review, including output, production, and the unit of area, and the per person, to help them to calculate different kind of energy efficiency. So on this dashboard, the dashboard below, we can review the KPI trend, KPI value trend, and the energy consumption trend. And on the top of the dashboard, they can review the year-on-year comparison and the energy efficiency, and also the energy substructure. So with this dashboard, manager can describe and translate the data more precisely. So after all of this management, not only the analysis, we also cooperate with Microsoft and use their co-pilot OpenAI Tech. We already insert a chatbot in our solution. So once the abnormality happened, our solution will deliver the letter to the recipient. Then they can click the linkage, and it will direct them to the chatbot. They can consult with the chatbot and get a suggestion from it. And this chatbot is already trained the model by the energy experts in the university. So it's a case that already applied our EcoWatch. It's an industrial park. In this industrial park, they already saved 36,000 kilowatt hours per building, and also reduced 33 tons of carbon emission per year. And with our solution, they also enhance their operation efficiency by 20%. So so far, not only this case, we also apply this solution on other cases. So if you are interested in this solution, you can contact us. It's my presentation today. Thanks for your attention. And thanks. And next, I will remember that the first step is to monitor. The second step is to control. So for the next section, I will introduce our architect, is Ben Shea, to introduce the HVAC control system.
Hello everyone, I'm Ben, System Architect from the ESG Solution BU. And this topic I will introduce the HVAC solution. And I will tell you how to improve the equipment of efficiency and how to save more energy in the chiller plants. Okay, and this is our typical architecture in the HVAC solution. In the base, on-site equipment such as the chiller, pump, grain tower, and the other meters, and we can use to our gateway like ECU or UNO to collect this data. And we also to recontrol this equipment through the ADEN gateway. Then this gateway to publish data to our cloud, public cloud or private cloud. Then the HVAC solution can use the data to analysis and monitoring, and we also to training the model and to do the control mechanism to save more energy in the HVAC system. And through implementing the HVAC solution, we provide some benefit like this, and we will to reduce overall energy consumption by 5% to 50%. And we also to increase the equipment health by 10% and to 20%. And we also to increase the operating efficiency by 10% to 30%. And finally, we will to save more manpower in the customer side. And let's look at the HVAC solution in the detail. And we provide the 7 key functions in these solutions. The first, we will provide the real-time monitoring and the equipment operations. And in our dashboard, we will to show the system workflow and to show the equipment status, loading, and equipment detail information. And the second, we will to provide alarm and the notifications, and by setting the threshold. And the system will to notify to the owner to through just like the SMS or email or the WhatsApp this app. And in the vents, we provide the 3 types of AI control mechanism. The first we call the chiller grouping control. Let's work to set the best efficiency in the chiller plant to save more energy in the operations. And the second, we will to call HVAC water side optimize operations. And we will to collect all effect factors, including weather, demand, or equipment status. And that's where to training model or to simulation to count out the best parameter in the HVAC system operations. And the third, we will to call AI demand predict control. And we will to predict the cooling produced and to save more energy in the HVAC system. Okay, and let's talk about the key function in the HVAC solution in our list dashboard. And this is the first dashboard when the user enter the HVAC solution, we will to find this dashboard. And this dashboard will to show in the middle, we will to show the system workflow, and we will click the equipment of the icon, and we will to show the equipment with detailed information like the loading, status, and the history data. And in the top, we will to show some alarm information list. If the alarm will be triggered, and we will to send the notification to our owner and to user to receive this message immediately. And in the right side, we will to monitor the key indicator like electronic and the cooling consumption and the energy efficiency KPI or the saving rate in any dashboard. Okay, and the next, in the equipment energy efficiency analysis, this dashboard will to find out if the equipment is inefficient. We can to find out the reason about this problem, just like if the chiller is inefficient. Will be affected by the cooling water temperature difference and the embedded rate. And we're to save more time to help user to find out the problem in this system. Okay. And many customers will want to know if they do the energy saving project, and this project is benefit or not. And in our dashboard, we can to benchmark this project the before and after benefit to evaluate the effect improvement to help user to know the energy project saving benefit. Okay. Our HVAC will implement more case study. And this case study is the international famous semiconductor manufacturing. And we implement this HVAC solution to help user to get more benefit like this. and we are to raise the system COP to 4.5, and we are to save more energy, 30% to the customer side. And in the factory operations, we were to realize international operation to maintain and the management the efficiency of the public facility by 20% to help user to get more benefit. Okay. And finally, in this month, we will release the new feature. And this feature will to collaborate with the Microsoft team. And we use their new technology Copilot OpenAI. And we will to implement this OpenAI to our IEMS HVAC and EcoWatch. And if the user to get an abnormal message, and we will to click open to our dashboard. And our dashboard will embed the chatbot viewer, and the user will to ask the AirRob and to ask what happened to this problem and how to solve this problem. And the chatbot will to reply you, and you can to solve this problem in this SOP and step by step to how to solve this problem and maybe to save more energies. Okay, and this is our OpenAI embedded in our new features. Okay, and this is our presentation, and thank you.